All right, guys. So I'm about to take you guys through some of the activities that took place during the weekend. First on the list here is Charles Okocha wedding. Had the likes of Cubana chief priest and Fake Poco appeared with the Equatorial Guinea trending guys. Yeah, shirt, customized shirt of him, and it was awesome. Charles Okocha wedding will be some of the first clip you're going to watch here. Second on the list is the rich and mighty Obi Cubana, Pastor Jerry Eze, Patient Dem Jonathan. They were all available at the opening of AA Hotel and Suite in Abuja. It was such a grand, good and a wonderful great time there, seeing these great men of God dedicate a place, a business place for the rich and mighty, and yes, the entire country at large. Obi Cubana, then Patient Jonathan, a lot of beautiful people. You can see from them the list of great people who were available at the unveiling of that one. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.
Let me take you from Nigeria to California. The party's up getting started. We are sir, we are sir, we are sir. Let's go, we are sir, we are sir, we are sir, we are sir. I'm taking. Hey, we are sir. Let's go, we are sir, we are sir. I'm battles on the VIP. If you're making money on the street on the regular, or spaghetti, you pull up with the flash shoe with your company. Chris, I'm bitches, my guy, all my neighbors. Let's go. Like a lick on top. I'm a big boy. If you want to come, make you use thunder. We are No.
A big shout out to Charles Okocha. His wedding was awesome. It was an amazing time out there. Lots of creatives were all out to celebrate him. Kenneth Okonkwo, at least you saw from the videos, those amazing people who all turned out massively to celebrate Charles Okocha. It was such a great time there and everybody had fun. Thank you for watching.